So the vocabulary for the day. We're going to be going over unintentional injuries, sexual behaviors, the use of drugs, alcohol, and tobacco, an unhealthy diet, and an inadequate physical activity. Now we're also going to be going over our systems that are in our body, which include the central nervous system, respiratory system, reproductive system, and the digestive system, and also the circulatory system. So I will be putting everybody in groups of 3, and we're going to be creating a poster. So each group will be assigned a subject that we went over, or you can call it a personal choice, which that's what people make, those personal choices and do those things or use those things. So using resources, and I'm going to let you use your phones, you can use your book, anything that you need to use that can be your resource. You're going to be creating a poster that shows what each personal choice does to the body systems that it harms. So say that we're talking about smoking tobacco. We're going to be talking about how it harms each system and what it does to the system. So some of you might be wondering why I didn't go into detail on how the different personal choice can harm the different systems that it does. So because each personal choice, it harms more than one system that our body uses. That's going to be your job on this poster. So we're going to be thinking that this poster is like a warning sign to people so they don't use or do anything that are these personal choices. Because again, it's their choice to do or use these things. It's a personal choice. Nobody can tell them to use it. It is their own choice. So I'm going to group you in 3, and you're going to be creating a poster. And each group again going to be assigned a different personal choice, and we're going to be creating a poster that shows what each personal choice does to the bodily systems and what it harms in each system.